kids on the table.
That's what I'm doing.
Record the kids on
I will. You gonna be on YouTube cursing everybody out.
I got the height advantage. I'm trying to get the height advantage.
Watch Livy. Watch Livy.
That's it. That's it. Look, she's trying to show the little bread.
Richard!
Hi.
Dummy. Man, your daughter's going to bring.
Back up.
Get her from the front. Babe, you almost dumbass. Rick's the only one that's scared of the birds.
I'm not scared of the birds. I'm just getting the height advantage.
He's straight. Alfred Hitchcock going on over here. This is straight Alfred Hitchcock right now. What the hell you mean help you? You scared? And I'm the only one down here facing it out with these bad boys down here. They ain't nothing but some birds.
What, they green feet?
Yeah, I see them.
That's what they feet are. Oh, look.
Yeah, I see it. Nah, it's a couple of them like that.
She got a fro. Okay, babe, you recording?
Yeah.
Okay. Maddie, stand up. Stand up. Say hi, Grandma. Say hi. Hi, Grandma. Get Lily. That's it.
Say hi, Lily. Hi.
Hi.
Hi, baby. I ain't got no man. You bet not. They'll go smooth crazy over here. They would go stone cold crazy. Out of bread? Ain't no more bread. The buffet is gone. Ain't no more.
We ain't got no more.
Ain't no more.
Y'all ready to get on the slide?
And we just came over here polluting y'all tour, huh?
Hello, people.
Hello.
We're feeding the birds.